developers spend hours debugging, searching for documentation, and rewriting the same boilerplate code. GitHub Copilot changes that. It streamlines workflows, reduces errors, and helps developers stay focused on problem solving instead of syntax. Jacob Saunders, EVP of Professional Services at Atmosera, puts it simply, "The reality is that GitHub Copilot does more than suggest code. It helps your developers streamline their work process. Whether it's debugging, generating code, or refining documentation, it acts as a real-time collaborator. GitHub Copilot speeds up development by predicting, generating, and refining code in real time. It suggests entire functions, recommends best practices, and even highlights potential bugs before they slow things down. Developers can write better code faster without getting stuck on repetitive tasks. With built-in security recommendations, GitHub Copilot also helps enforce coding standards. Instead of searching through external documentation, developers can get security best practices directly in their IDE. That means safer, more efficient code without added complexity. For teams managing large or legacy code bases, GitHub Copilot makes onboarding easier. It provides relevant documentation and helps developers understand unfamiliar code faster. Whether it's reviewing existing logic or optimizing workflows, GitHub Copilot connects the dots. To get the most out of it, developers need clear prompts. Descriptive comments, structured requests, and extensions can refine its suggestions, making it even more effective. It's a tool that gets smarter with use, adapting to individual and team coding styles. For businesses, different GitHub Copilot tiers offer flexibility. Individual developers can test it for free, while Pro, Business, and Enterprise plans provide advanced features for scaling AI-assisted coding across teams. See how GitHub Copilot can transform your team's development process. Read the full article on our website. Don't forget to add this podcast to your Spotify playlist for more insights into GitHub Copilot and beyond.